You guys. I was just a little bit like doing some work to meet you guys. And hello to my channel, Midran's Storytime. It's named after me, and today I'm gonna tell you a story called An Elephant and a Tailor. You guys could see it. An elephant there and a tailor there. Now let's get in. Yeah. Now let's read this. One day, in a fine village, there lived a tailor. In a village, there lived a tailor. He was a gentle and kind tailor. In that same village, there also lived a saint's elephant. Can you see a saint here? And his elephant. Yeah. Every day, the saint's elephant, which is here, you guys can see. Did I miss a page? Yeah. Goes to his river to bath by passing this tailor's shop. You guys could see, or should I zoom in? Look. Tailor boy. The elephant. There. They was like that. Then fishy. Wait a minute, friends. One day when the elephant was passing his shop, the tailor gave 2 bananas. Look, 2 bananas. 2 bananas there. Hey. Download the letters. Download the letters. They are in a language that you guys don't know. But he fed 2 bananas. That's it. And after that, the elephant came after the bath. He served the elephant. I'm not sure what's this flower's name, but it's a load of flower that he gave to the elephant who wants to eat it. And like that, their friendship grew and grew. One day, the tailor was in a huge job. He needs to stitch all of this pie. Look, until he was concentrated on that and forgot to give the bananas to the elephant. The elephant stretched its tongue inside the tailor's shop, but he refused to give it. And the elephant gave a trumping sound for him to be concentrated on the elephant. Then the tailor became ferocious. Then the elephant pointed its trunk and he got ferocious and was like, "Go away!" But then the elephant pointed its trunk to a needle there. A needle. I'll show you guys. There. That's a light. Look, the needle. Pointed to the needle. Then the tailor was like, "Oh, you want a needle?" And he took the needle there, look, and poked its trunk. That's so sad, isn't it? Then the elephant went crying back to the river. But he's looking, but he doesn't care. What a rude. Then when the elephant was bathing, can you see that dreaming cloud? I know you guys can see it, or I will zoom in, and now you can see it. It was thinking of what happened. The tailor poked his needle inside its trunk. Don't mind the letters. They are in a language you don't know. And it went took some dirty water. Taylor doesn't know it. You know why? I'll tell you a secret. You know it in the story. Inside its trunk, its storage place. Then he went back to the tailor shop and asked for the lotus as it did. But the tailor refused once again. Then the elephant showed all of the water it was stored. Look, now the secret came out. And the dirty water of the river splashed all through his shop. Not only his left clothes, all his own clothes and the stitched clothes from his whole shop was nasty. And they all became enemies. The arrow went dreaming this. And then the tailor was sad. He thought he shouldn't have did that. Oh my God, he said. Don't mind the letters. And then the whole village scolded the tailor for doing that. And the next day, he gave a comb of bananas to the elephant, but it refused. They both became enemies. And the moral is, okay, a small mistake with your best friend will give you a big loss with him. That's the moral. And thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. And please subscribe to see my next moral stories like this. If you want to buy it, there I'll tell you. Just email it to info@manojpublications.com website and www.manojpublications.com. Thank you for watching. If you're somewhere where it is, you can go to 761 Main Road, Burari, Delhi 111084. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.